Welcome to Learn English with Story. Today's story is about honesty. Let's begin. Once upon a time, a poor woodcutter lived near a big forest. He worked hard every day, cutting wood to earn money. One day, while working near a river, his axe slipped and fell into the water. The woodcutter was very sad. He needed the axe for work. Suddenly, a fairy appeared from the river. She showed a golden axe. "Is this yours?" she asked. "No," said the woodcutter. "That's not mine." Then she showed a silver axe. "Is this yours?" Finally, she showed his own axe. "Yes, that's mine," he said. The fairy smiled. "You are honest." She gave him all three axes. Words you learned today: woodcutter, axe, slip, honest. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more English stories.